Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. We are standing in front of a 2025 Kawasaki TERYX-4S. We've just installed the Ryco Street Legal Kit on it. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about what we've done. Part number 4116. You don't need to remember that. I'll post up in the description below a link to the part number and where you can go on and place your order online today. So with the Ryco Street Legal Kit, we're going to install three 3/4 inch amber LEDs on each corner. Those do have a daytime running light feature. You can override that. If you don't want to have the daytime running light, that's okay. How does it work? How does it operate? Very simple, just like a car. Down will be left. We do have those indicator lights up on the dash letting you know the turn signal is on. Those LEDs are nice and bright. You can see them from the side and from straight on, and then around the back side. What I love about the Ryco kit is it ties into the stock tail lights in the back, illuminating all of those bright LEDs at night. And while we're back here on the back of the Street Legal Kit, you can see we've got a specific plate for the TERYX. It also comes with the light to illuminate the plate at night. And depending upon your state, most states do require that you have that LED to illuminate the plate at night. Back up on the switch itself, you do have the ability for the four-way hazard function. Simply pull out on that lever. All four corners are going to illuminate if you want to check it out from the front. And then over here on the back. Very nice, very nice. To release the four-way hazard function, you're going to simply go up or down with the lever. You can't push that red lever back in. The Ryco kit's also going to include the horn. It's a nice loud car style horn. Works very well. With the Ryco Street Legal Kit, it's going to give you everything you need, all the fuses, the wiring, instruction, relays to complete the process. Installation is not too bad. Here in Utah, the only additional items that you will need are two mirrors, one on each side of the driver. You can accomplish that with a left view and a right view, or a left view and a rear view. That's completely up to you. We do have these kits in stock, ready to ship today. Again, I'll post up in the comments or description below a link to the part number, as well as where you can go on and place your order today. Or you can give us a call or shoot us a text, 435-427-3338. In stock, ready to ship. Get the order in by 1 p.m. Heads out the same day. More info to come. Everything Ryco. We got you covered at Big Pine Sports.